Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to block websites on Chrome as well as on Firefox as well. With the abundance of web content that's available these days, not all of it is useful and some of it can be harmful. For example, websites that are fraudulent or that can steal your data, websites that have malware that can infect your system and things like that. So a lot of modern web browsers, including Chrome, lets you restrict access to block web pages that you want to avoid. So to help you do this, we'll go through a few ways to block websites, as well as we'll also look at some advantages of blocking websites on your site's browser as well. So as mentioned before, there are lots of reasons why you might want to block a website, including if you want to restrict access to some sites to protect users from certain web content. For example, parents can limit access to adult websites on family devices. Computer viruses are harmful to your device and can sometimes slip through antivirus programs. So if you know specific websites that may contain malware, you'll be able to kind of block them immediately. And blocking websites can also increase productivity as well. People can focus more on their work with fewer distractions on their phone and desktop computers. So that's why some employers may want to block some websites as well. So firstly, we'll start with Google Chrome. And you can use different extensions by Google Chrome to help you block a website. And it's probably one of the easiest methods since the tool will kind of manage the task for you. And this is also suitable for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS users as well. So here's how to block websites on Chrome using Block Site. So visit the site that you want to block. And you're going to want to download this extension called Block Site. Block Site is one of the most popular website blocking extensions. It has over 3 million downloads, and all you need to do to start using this extension is just to visit the Chrome Web Store and download it from there. So after you've managed to find Block Site, what you want to do is click on the Add to Chrome button, and you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store, and you just want to click on Add to Chrome. And your web browser will show you what the Block Site extension will do, and you just want to click on Add Extension. So with Block Site is what's known as a freemium extension, meaning that it has a free version, but there are paid pricing that you can sort of apply for to kind of get more features. This includes blocking an unlimited amount of sites, protecting your focus with a password, and creating your own block page as well. They do have a free trial that you can do for 3 days that you can cancel anytime, and you can test out the extension fully. But you can also decide if you want to use like the 1 month or the 12-month or 6-month trial as well. If not, you can just click skip and you can try later basically. But you can use the sort of freemium option for now. Once you have the extension added, it'll be added to your list of extensions, which you can find here. And what you can do is you can always pin it so that you can see it easily here. There's 2 ways to block sites. What you want to do is go into the blocksite.com and log into your account, and you can actually just type in the site that you want to block, and you just want to click on Add Item. So you can see in this example I've blocked YouTube. So now when I click on here and I try to go into YouTube, I am met with this block page, and it says here the site is blocked by Block Site, so I can't actually access it. You can see here there's a call to action to go on for another feature to make your own block page. So ideally you can customize this page in a way that you'd like, but for now it does exactly what we need to. We've added a website to be blocked, and now the website is blocked for us as well. The other way to block a website is if you go onto the website itself, and then if you click on the little block site extension up here, what you can do is it actually comes up and it'll say add facebook.com to save time, and what you can do is click on add to block list, and it'll give you and there we go. So now that when I go on facebook.com, it is being blocked using the block site extension. As mentioned before, there is a paid version of this where you can add unlimited sites. With the free version, you can only really add 3 sites to your block list. So if you know there's not a lot of websites that you want to block, then maybe the free version will be fine for you. But if you know there's more things that you want to block, then you might want to go for one of the paid plans. As soon as you download and add the extension onto your browser, it'll keep track of all the websites that you've been visiting, and it'll show you what sites you visit the most, and that way you can see if there's any sites that's eating up in terms of your time for productivity, and then you can block those sites as well. So now let's look at the Firefox browser, and the Firefox browser actually also supports the block site extension as well. So it's really easy to kind of block websites using Firefox, but you do need to download the extension. So what you want to do is when you're on Firefox, you want to just type in block site extension into the search bar. And you'll be taken to the Firefox add-on page, and you're looking for a block site here. And once you find it, you just want to click on add to Firefox, and you just want to click on add. And you can decide if you want the block site to run on private windows as well. I recommend that you do this because otherwise you'll be able to access your block site even in incognito mode as well. So once you have the So now when you go on the when you decide to block a website and you have the extension added, what you want to do is go into settings, and you want to go onto add-ons and themes here, and you're looking for the block site theme, which has already been activated. And what you can do is you click on options, and it will basically ask you to add a host that you want to block. So for example, we'll do youtube.com. And then we'll just click on add. To block that website as well. And that's basically it. Once you have all the sites added, then you have your sites all blocked on Mozilla or Chrome, whichever it is that you're using. As mentioned before, the block site extension is free to use, but only up to 3 websites, and there are some restrictions. If you decide you need more websites that need to be blocked, and if you want to make use of some of the extensions, then even trying the 3-day trial just to see how it works and if it's actually useful, and you can cancel it at any time as well, but within the 3 days.